Had to make some minor adjustment and reuse his. Yeah, it's kind of bright out here today. It's pretty hot here in Florida. Right here is the cable tang. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here where my finger is. And this is the sleeve for the cable. Had to drill a hole in the handle to get his tang to go in, so we reuse it. And here's the mower. Did an oil change off camera and put a new blade on it. So if y'all can see, I was waiting on an overcast. What you see, it's getting ready to rain here in Florida every friggin' day. So I'm gonna bring it out here. Y'all can witness the first pull, first start. Had to change the spring on the brake because the other one was way too tight. Alright, I'm holding the brake out. And let's see what she does. Well, there you go. Now, Mr. Don has a brand new mower. And it's got a little mess where you got to change the spark plug. Other than that, I'd say she's good to go. So, that ought to make him happy. Here's the motor I took off of it. There's nothing wrong with that motor. I just need to clean the carburetor. And I'll save all the motors and stuff. Frames, I don't like them sitting around because that's what happened to his. The whole front end. Which I think I did put it on the first video. The whole front end here was ate up with rust and it fell apart on him. But I got him a 21-inch Craftsman. That's his Briggs Stratton. So that'll be it for this job. Okay, we're gonna walk out of the sun here so I can see. I don't want to get the rugrat on the camera. Okay, I'll pause you for a minute.